everyone. Welcome back. My name is Smriti and I hope you all are safe and doing well and taking all the precautions that are required. So, today's video is going to be my TBR for 2021 and I have quite a few books and it was very difficult to put some of the books in the TBR for 2021, but these are those books which I really want to read more and definitely I'll get more, but these are those books which I will definitely read in 2021. Whether it be a reading slump, whether it be I'll be busy, whether anything, but despite of everything I am gonna read these books definitely. And yeah, I think I'm repeating, but yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, first, with before starting the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share with your family and friends and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get started. The first book that I'm going to show you, it is very difficult to choose the first. Okay, there will be no particular genres from which I'll be picking these books, but randomly I'll be picking the books which whichever books comes in my hand first, I'll show you that one. So yeah, the first book that I have already started is Ikigai by, this is the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. It is the international bestseller and this is how it looks. It is such a pretty book. I have already started reading it and I really want to read this because this was such a hyped book and yeah, everybody talks about this book, so I wanted to read this and know what is all the hype about on this book. Also, I want to read this because who don't want to be focused in life and want to know what where they really belongs to, so this book will help. But till now I have read these many pages and it is a pretty decent book. I have not yet felt something blowing my mind or something like that, but it is too soon to recognize a book or to tell about a book. So yeah, I'm going to read it further and I have read only 22 pages, so it is very soon to tell about a book. But after reading 50 pages you get to know how the book is and if you are interested in that book or not. So let's see if I like this book or not. And this is my first book, as I have already started. The second book that I really want to read is The Ministry of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy, and this is how it looks. And it is pretty thick book and yeah, I really want to read Arundhati's writings. People praise about her so much and why people like her writing so much. Also, it is the utmost ministry of happiness, so I want to be happy in 2021 and yeah, not in 2021, in my entire life. So yeah, this is and I think it will take a lot more time than any other book. So yeah, this is my second book. The third book is The Palace of Illusions from Chitra Banerjee, and this is how it looks like. It is again a very famous book and everybody has almost read this book. This is the Instady has almost reviewed this and I too wanted to read this and get to know what is in there. And this is from the woman's perspective, what was going on in Mahabharat and all those kind of things. So yeah, I'm very eager to read this one. And yeah, my next book is this. I is The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri, and I don't think I need to say anything about this. Also, I really want to read a Bengali writer's book because I am a Bengali and yeah, I'm really excited to read this one. This is my next book is Beyond Good and Evil really want to read a classic book which is good enough to blow my minds and let me start questioning to the universe, to everything, whatever I see, whatever I go through. And yeah, I really want to start reading a good book. So you will see all the good books which are very famous and everybody is almost talking about these books. So that is why I have picked all these books, and there are a lot more than these, but these will be my priority for this year. So yeah, the next book. Also, I want to start reading classics, so that is why I have included a lot of classics this year. So yeah, the next book is 1984 by George Orwell, and I don't think I have to say anything about this book. This is a pretty famous book, and everybody has almost read it, but I have not. So that is why this is there in my 20. Yeah, this is my next book, and I really want to read a lot of classics, as I said. So yeah, the next book is The Silent Patient, and I really want to read this again. A very hyped book, and I really want to see what all the bookstagrammers are raving about. Also, this is a controversial book. Some people like this book and some people don't, so I too want to find out myself that am I liking this book or not. So that is why this is there on my TBR of 2021. Okay, the next book is Life's Amazing Secrets: How to Find Balance and Purpose in Your Life by Gopal Das, and this is how it looks. Actually, I want to start reading spiritual books a lot more than I previously did in 2020, so that is why I have included a lot of spiritual books, because I read Sadhguru's book, and I was so fascinated. Also, I spirituality in my life more than I had. So that is why there are a lot of spiritual books this year, and yeah, I really want to read spiritual books. So yeah, that is there. The next, again a spiritual book, and it is Flowers on the Path by Sadhguru. As I said, I want to read spiritual books, so basically that is why this is there. Next book is by Kavita Kane. It is Menka's Choice, and this is how it looks. It is a very pretty book, and Kavita Kane is a very talked about writer, and she was so Kavita Kane's writings are very talked about, and I really want to know what she wants to say from a woman's perspective. Yeah, yeah. Okay, the next book is The Rudest Book Ever: Insanely Practical Ideas to Free Your Mind from All Bullshits. And it says, it has a disclaimer at the above. It says, read only if you are prepared to get your feelings hurt. And it is by Shwetab, and it is a book which I think again everybody has read already, and I'm very late, but as I have started journey very late, so yeah, I have not read about this book. Also with this, I really want to read Book Thief, which I don't have a physical copy, but I'll definitely get, and I'm not including that book in this video because I still not have that book. But whenever I'll get that, I'll make a TBR of any month, and I'll include that book also. So yeah, okay, the next book that I'm going to read is Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie, and this is how it looks. It is a movie based cover, and want to read more thrillers, more mystery thrillers I want to read, and that is why I have picked this. The next book is a very thin book. I think I'll probably start this also and finish this. It is Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson, Dr. Spencer Johnson, and this is how it looks. And it is a thin book, so I think I'll probably finish it very quickly. And I'm not an overconfident person but yeah, I think I'll be able to finish this book super soon, and that is why this is there on my TBR. Because if I'll take all the thick books, I don't think I'll find interest, and I'll lose my interest. So that is why some of the thin books are there on my TBR as well. And I have few more books, few not, I have a lot of books which are thin, which I have not included in this, because these are the major books that I really want to read. So yeah. Okay. The next book is, this is basically Chanakya Niti, and it is a strategy for success, and it is by Radha Krishnan Pillai. This is how it looks like, and I absolutely want to read Chanakya Niti, because who don't, I really want to know what Chanakya Niti is all about, because there is a lot of politics going on in our normal lives as well. And so yeah, I really want to read about this book. And I think this world needs a more kind people, but regardless, kind of people are usually taken for granted, or being misused. Really want to be kind, but with that, I really want to have my brains and mind open to whom I need to be kinder, and to don't need to be kinder, basically. So yeah, I think I have said a lot of things, but that is why this book is there on my TBR. The next book is Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen, and again a classic. As I said, I really want to read mind blowing books, which a lot of people have already read previously, and still these books are bang on and people read them. So yeah, I really want to read this book. So that is why this is there on my TBR. The next book is by Paulo Coelho. I think, and I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but it is 11 minutes. And my friend Soumya raves about Paulo Coelho. I have read The Alchemist. And, okay, the next book is by Sudha Murthy. It is 3000 Stitches, and it is a short story book. It has few of short stories. It has 11 short stories, and this is a beginner friendly book, as I know till now. And I want to read few of the beginner friendly books, so yeah, I'll be reading this also very soon. And I included again a thick and easy book. So basically, I don't want a reading slump, so I have taken thin books and also the easy ones, so that I can still read the entire year. And get satisfied that I finished these many books, as I have started a story highlight on my Instagram, that I will be mentioning the number of books I'll be reading this year. So yeah, that is why I have picked cleverly my books this time for my TBR. Okay, the next book is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking, and a lot of people have already read this book, and I too want to read this, because I want to improve my speaking skills, and to convey people what I want to say via my videos, also personally as well, because a lot of times I am short of words while I speak, because I don't know which kind of word will fit the sentence, or which kind of word will fit the current situation, and via the word I'm not hurting the other person. So that is why I want to read this, इसलिए ये इस TBR में है. Okay, the next book is How to Become Rich, 12 Lessons I Have Learned from Vedic and Puranic Stories by Devdutt Patnaik. And this is how it looks, and this is how thin it is. So I want to read this, and get to know about the 12 lessons he learned from Vedic and Puranic. So yeah, that is why this is there. And with this, the other book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, Magic Formula for Success, Wealth and Wisdom. So I want to read both of them, and get to know how to process the cycle of money in life, and to move on the path of success. So that is why success to income money, yeah, to income money, and that is why this is there on my TBR of 2021. Okay, the next book is Prophet by Khalil Gibran. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but it is again a classic book, and I want to read this. It is a classic book, and this kind of books were there when I was a kid. I mean, in schools, skits were used to happen on these kinds of book, and I want to go in that memory lane, and yeah, again a classic, and I want to read it. The next book is Death by Sadhguru, and I really want to read about death, as a lot of people randomly say I want to die, and they don't understand the impact of that word, and yeah, we basically don't realize how important our lives are, and basically in this book we get to know why we should not die. So yeah, I want to read this. This was a blockbuster book in 2020, and I really wanted to read back then, but then reading slump happened and I was not able to pick this book up. I wanted to, but I still was not able to. I has picked in this 2021 TBR. This is there are 12 months, and in 12 months I think I'll be able to pick this book up in any of the months and start reading it. Okay, the next book is Autobiography of Yogi, and I don't think I have to say anything about this, because again a spiritual book, and I want to read this very desperately, and yeah, that is why this is there, and it is a very thick book, and the font is very small, so I'll take a long time to read this. Also, these kind of books cannot be finished in a go, so yeah, that is why I have picked so many different kind of genres, so that I can take two books at a time and read side by side. um, if you want to know my reading routine, please let me know in the comments. I will be happy to make one. So yeah. Okay, the next book is Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, and this is how it looks. I wanted to read it, but again the language was mind blowing, and it was a bumper through my head. So yeah, it is having a very tiny font, and again it is a history based book. So so yeah, I'll take time to start reading this. I don't know which phase of mine will come and I'll start it reading, because I'm a crazy person and I don't know when what phase will come and what book I will pick. So I have taken a lot of genres, and thin books, thick books, both. Okay, the last two books, I think are duology, trilogy kind of things. So it has, next book is Shiva Trilogy, The Immortals of Meluha, and this is how it looks. I got this book in March, and I'm really sorry. From then I wanted to read, but I don't know why I was not reading it. It was sitting on my bookshelf from such a long time, and now finally I have taken this out and I'll read this time. And yeah, so basically that is why I have taken this out. The next book in this set is Nagas from the Secret, the Shiva Trilogy, and there is one more book in this set, but as I had not started this book that time, so I did not got that third book. That's why these two are a combined number two. Okay, the next book duo is by Mark Manson. It is The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck and Everything is Fucked by Mark Manson. As I said, this is a duology, and I really want to read these books, and yeah, that is why this is there on my TBR, and it is a very easy to read book, and basically a lot of people have asked me to read this book, so I'll be reading this and reviewing this in 2021. So with this, it is the end of my TBR of 2021, and I hope you like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, also share it with your family and friends, and take care of yourselves, take care of your family. And till then, and I say a lot of ants, but till then take care and bye bye.